Oops. Don't drop your flat iron.
I've been running for so long. I'm clear about the path I was on. I was breathless, my heart restless.
To see more of my videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell below to be notified when I put more out. Hello. I'm going to do this tutorial today on doing my hair because I have not straightened it. I have naturally curly hair, as you can tell, literally all summer long, and we're almost to winter, so I've did it like twice, and this is why. But today I decided to smooth it out and straighten it and show you how I do it if it helps any other curly hair gals. After shampooing, conditioning, I did the Miracle Creator for my leave-in. And I have actually found, because I've used plenty of smoothing curly hair products, this gelatin. Am I putting it in the viewfinder? Okay. The velvet gelatin works great for my hair. My hair's really fine. It has a level 7 hold, so it's not too much. It's like a silky, velvety feel. It's great. So, I had to go and get all my appliances out of my daughter's room because, you know, they like to hoard things if you have teenage daughters. You know what I mean? I just usually use a paddle brush to smooth it out. If I'm at work, I'll use my round brush. I don't have a lot of storage in my bathroom, so I tend to not have too much in here until I get my own bathroom, which should be hopefully soon. Okay, so blow drying it, high heat. I love this dryer. It's a TG Pro. Had it for a long time. I used to use it at the salon, but it's way too heavy. But it works great. Coolest on now. That, my friends, is why I don't do it much in the summer. Actually gonna get my flat iron prepared. Yeah, I use like a curling iron and a flat iron. But it works for me and I don't have to wash my hair for like 3 or 4 days. So, okay. Normally, when I blow dry my hair, it'd be even puffier. Looks a little crazy right now, but that's okay. Starting out underneath. Just gonna throw some curls in here. Honestly, I do this so fast. You can either use a 1-inch. I'm using a 1 1/4. My handy dandy $10 Conair that I just use for home. Some curls in. Get another piece. Pretty sure I dropped a piece back there. Oh yeah. I know it's small, but it'll bother me.
Next level.
This is why buying good curling irons is a good idea, because they don't get your hair caught in this little thing here. But really, I don't do my hair enough at home like this to spend the money to invest in a curling iron, so. Especially when you have like teenage girls that are here and you know they're going to use them and they're not going to take care of them. Like my brush, for example. Which is fine. I'll have all my fun stuff when my kids are gone. For now, I'll just enjoy them. Actually, tomorrow is on Halloween is my daughter's 18th birthday, my oldest. Ugh. So, I'm probably just going to be depressed all day tomorrow and not want to do my hair or anything. So, I'm just doing it today. Birthdays aren't normally hard for me, but this one is. I feel too young to have an 18-year-old. So around the face, not sure what I want to do. Over here down to the corner of the eye, and I'm going to lay it this way. I don't want it to be up away from the face. I don't want to have all that body. So I'm going to smooth it downwards. See, it's fuzzy, but I will take care of it. I always seem to touch things and turn them off. I always have to double check and make sure I did it. The curling iron I have at the salon, always turn it off on accident. I'm like, why isn't this curling? Oh, turned it off. At least it does not take long to heat back up. Now, the reason why I don't go through flat iron the hair, I know some girls do, but it never works out for me, maybe because my hair's finer. Flat iron all the hair so it's all smooth and then go through with the curling iron because the curls are not going to stay. Not for me anyways. So, I just do what I do best. Now, I've been straightening my hair since, I graduated in the 90s. And there wasn't, like, a flat iron. Well, there kind of was, but I didn't realize it. I think for, like, 5th or 6th grade, I got this crimper for Christmas. That tells my age. I was born in 1980. So, 1990s, early 1990s. Crimpers were, kind of the thing. And it had, like, you can change the plates up. You could do a smaller crimp. You could do a bigger crimp. And then it had, like, this, I didn't know what it was for, a flat plate. Why would somebody buy a crimper and then have this flat plate? Because it could have detached. Like, you could take off the plates and exchange them, interchange them, whatever the word is. And I always was confused about this flat plate. Until I got into high school, and I didn't have it anymore, of course, because that was years later. And I realize now that I could use it as a flat iron, even though it wasn't called that. So now I'm switching to my flat iron. I got my girls this, actually. I just used theirs. Got it a couple years ago for Christmas. It works pretty good. It's the GBP. That's worn off right there. But it works good. It has it on off and it goes up to 450 degrees, which it was at 450 degrees. That's probably why my daughter's bangs are getting fried off. And yeah, I tell her plenty of times, don't put it past 350. Just don't. So I do let my hair pretty much cool all the way. Let my face cool all the way. Let the flat iron heat up, which is pretty much done now. So anyways, going back to the 90s when I was in high school, junior high and high school, I would take a big fat curling iron and smooth my hair with that and bump it under. And then I embraced my curly hair my senior year, so that was cool. And then I just didn't care after that. I'd straighten it sometimes, curl it sometimes. Now where it's more fuzzy, It's not so bad since it's not as humid anymore. I'm just going to kind of smooth the top part, but before I actually loosen the curls, I'm going to go through and just straighten the ends, smooth them. Just like the last inch and a half or so. And the waves are going to come out because I use a bigger curling iron, so that's fine. That's what I expected. I just wanted a wave. I wasn't trying to do anything fancy. If you want me to do a tutorial on more of a curl, more of a beachy wave, I can do that too. I just noticed like my styling tutorials don't get a lot of hits, so which means people aren't that interested in them, so I just haven't done them. Now, as a curly hair girl, I do hate this around the face. So, I just take this little bit here. If I feel like it's straighter than what I want, I will take the curling iron, or the flat iron, and see like right here, I'll just go along here.
Next level.
Straight hair girls, this may not bother them as much, but honestly, I can't stand kinks. Did I turn it off? About as smooth as I'm going to get it without it being flat. Don't want it to be flat. I can't stand that either. I have some of this Amika Bombshell Blowout Spray I got in a Birchbox I had a while ago. So I'm just going to... Okay, I'm not going to use that. I won't spray. I have also the Kenra. Where is it at? Here it is. This is also a blow dry spray. I got a travel size out to try it. It doesn't have any hole to it. It's a thermal protector though. But I noticed it's like, must be like oil based. So I'm going to use it as oil. I'm always turning products into something else that they're intended for. Just my thing. And out of my camera. It's my favorite though. I have a sample, a travel size, when I straighten my hair because it helps fight against humidity. I've been using this for like, no joke, 15 years. There's a reason why they win awards. Now, tomorrow it will be smoother, and I look crazy right now. Just let it set. And then, use a pick. I like the wet comb. Where is it at? Okay. I'm going to go through. And if I have time tomorrow, maybe I'll show you how I refresh this. And sometimes I will. I didn't today. Maybe I will, actually. I'll automatically use it as a texture spray instead of texture spray, which I also have if I was to put my hair up. But I'm not going to wait till next day hair to use dry shampoo. It adds texture now, and I feel like it's a preventative. And it adds some grit. You know what? I'll just realize that I had I want to put ton of crap in my hair today. Because I've had it for a couple months, but I haven't straightened my hair yet. The Puff Me. Have you tried that? Let me know what y'all think. As the hours go by. So, any questions? Leave them below. You probably think I look like a lion, but I assure you, it settles. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.